Take a video of us and now you're in it.
Oh, hi!
Hello!
Karaoke!
Yes, you know I'd walk 1,000 miles if I could just see you. We're in New Zealand. Yes. We're here in Queenstown going up the gondola. The Skyline gondola up to do some luging. Space luge. Not space luge, just normal luge. Earth luge. Alright, there we go. What? Blow my arm. Hello. Let's go need some breaks. Oh my god! We're here at Burger, which has the biggest queue for anything in Queenstown.
For a burger.
For a burger. It better be good. I'm gonna cut to us eating the burger and we better be going, this is great.
Right.
Feels so good. What's it called? We're on top of
Mount Luxmore Hut. There's a sign right there.
where?
Altitude 1,085 meters.
It's cold.
And it's gonna get dark. So this is probably a very bad idea.
But there's a rainbow. Today on Cribs, we're checking out the Juicy vehicle. As you can see, everything you need, a hob, little camper chair, and the most important thing of all, should we have one?
New Zealand's finest spate. Gold.
Spites.
Spate.
Actually, in it.
At least 90% water.
Minimum.
Everyone, we are on the road to Mount Cook. It's going alright so far. Have a good time. Thumbs up for Tom. Don't do that, you're driving. No!
Monteith's. So we're here at Monteith's Brewing Company. Gonna drink some beer.
Because when I drink a beer now, I think about it.
It's not much of it. It'll do.
So where are you from?
I'm from New Zealand.
Great.
Monteith's.
We're here. The bathrooms are great.
Yeah, come see the urinals. Have you seen them?
Let's go check out the urinals. Oh yeah. I'm here with a real Kiwi. It's not so bad.
No.
Yeah.
The friction caused by mass on top of it.
We get it, you're an engineer.
Engineering!
There's a technique. That's woo!
Oh, that's pretty good.
That was an impressive early poly.
Don't video me, I video you. What's your favourite thing about New Zealand?
My favourite thing about New Zealand? I liked wine.
I want it that way. Like you're on a sedation. Let's do the time warp again. Would you blow me up and play me like everybody else? Oh, I lost my eye. Hi. Shake, shake, shake. We're at Hockey Tika Gorge. It's blue. What do you think of the gorge? It's gorgeous. It smells nice. We're here in Christchurch's Botanical Gardens, where you can find plants from all sorts of places. He's watering himself like the plants would need.
Photosynthesis, bitch.
I'm here in Kaikoura, where you can see seals sleeping on the bay. Okay, so you're not supposed to get too close to the seals because they get aggressive and try to attack you. They drag you into the sea, cut you up into little pieces, bury you in the sand. Anyway. One of the many things you can do in Apple Tasman is kayaking. So it's our last day in the South Island. Let's get in this damn car and get out of here.